Yeah, I've been patient, I've been locked in on the go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Treat the morning like a moment I've been built for. Wrist tight, mind calm, that's a real score. Everybody wanna flex what they think they know, but the river doesn't brag, man, it just shapes stone. If it's not my setup, I don't touch it, let it pass. Every force trade ends with me looking back. So I breathe in, breathe out, let the market do its dance. And the patience that I practice turn the future to my hands. Ain't the same as last week, whole new mind. Water in the groove, yeah, I flow in my time. Let the fear fade out, let the greed decline. I'm aligned with the grind, stay refined in the climb. Yeah, I've been patient, I've been gold. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline the crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Show up, slow up, let the noise blow up. I don't fold up. Wave ride, same tide, every sunrise. Give me new eyes. Stone grind, long time, water carved lines. If you show up, no rush, no clutch, patience be the code that I go by. I don't chase wins, I chase discipline. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I just settle in. Every loss is just a lesson that'll tighten my spin. Every candle on the chart make me better again. Yeah, I've been
Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up? Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? Hope everyone is well. What's up, Skylon? Hell no, what's up? Norman, good morning. Slee, ayo. Jedi Academy, Grizz, what's up? Miguel, Lupeck. Grizz, you're sitting in the hero long. Man, I'm so pissed. I really wanted to buy 600 there, and I didn't do it. It looked really good. Would have been nice. Would have been very nice. So, GG's. Loopback also in the hero longs, very good. Yeah, we just hit a 1 hour supply zone, so it's a good profit target here, and obviously formed a little top there earlier. Miner, what's up? Ronald, how you doing? Yeah, I wish I would have grabbed that long. Would have put me pretty much back to where this account should be. What's up, Trink? Here's what will happen at open. Both will pop up at open immediately. Great for a long scalp. It'll immediately go short back to low of day. There you have it. We've been getting those opening pops often. We've had, I can think of like 1 or 2 opening drops. Maybe 2 opening drops lately. Most of the time we do get that push. Maybe we get all the way up to 690. Somewhere 680, something like that. Loopback, your entry is 598. Very good, very good. Congrats. Nice trade. Oh, I wanted that. Oh, that would have been nice. Mohammed, what's up? How you doing? Rob, how you doing? ES took out most recent low at 484. Yeah, there's not a whole lot down below. Are there specific days of the week you see better setups? I would say for the most part, Mondays have not been great. So when a Monday has great price action in the morning, it's honestly a surprise. Fridays, maybe my second least favorite day, but I don't know. A lot of times Friday mornings turn out fine. Really just depends on what's going on. University of Michigan sentiment out at top of the hour. That should be all data releases today that you know, matter for NASDAQ traders. Yes, etc. What happened to 5 lucid accounts from yesterday? Well, it's very strange. So I have TradeC set up and Motivate. They both run on Rhythmic. And so I put a trade on, went to the gym from my phone. The TradeC has an app from my phone. You know, I monitored it, whatever. I think I adjusted the stop. I took a loss on the trade I was in. And then I took a short. That was break even, whatever. Doesn't matter. Basically, I was down $250 on the day after being down 1,100. So it's pretty good. And when I got back from the gym, I realized only the lead account was down $250. Everything else had blown. And luckily, before I left, I recorded an OBS. I'll play it for you, actually. I recorded an OBS what had happened, like with my screen at the time. And let me play this for you. Market's gonna open here. Maybe we'll wait. Maybe I'll wait till after the market. Remind me, I'll play the video for you. How do you connect your Lucid account to Motivate? You just log in with the Rhythmic credentials they give you. It's to sign the Rhythmic agreements if it's your first time trading Lucid. And once you sign the non-professional data agreement, then you can just log in with the credentials in MotiveWave, connect to the Lucid gateway or the Lucid system. Easy peasy. All right, here we go. Let's end the week strong, chat. Let's have a good one.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
All right, so a little spike down to 630. Upside, I'll look for maybe 690, 700. I'm not really getting off the ground here. Is it necessary to connect to Rhythmic platform? If you want to trade Lucid and Motivewave, it's going to be Rhythmic. And as such, since Rhythmic is the data provider, they need you to sign an agreement saying you're not a professional. So a little 15-minute demand formed from a little buy up off 600 or 574. I don't expect it to do a whole lot here, but maybe one last pop attempt at the highs. If not, I mean, ES is already at its lows, so we might just continue on down from here. But that is 15-minute demand structurally. ES new lows. So anyways, so 4 of the accounts errantly got blown on some phantom limit order. So maybe I'll play it for you. It's for some reason, like I can't get my OBS screen recordings to like play without glitching all over the place. But we'll see if it plays here. All right, after stream. You can see I'm in a long here. That was a good long. Didn't end up, I wasn't at my computer, so I didn't end up taking profit on it. Ended up being like a stop out, not a big deal. This is, by the way, I got back to break even on the day. Okay, here it is, here it is. Okay, so if you care, you might just be watching the market now, but basically, I took a stop out, right? Down 140 on all 5 accounts. And I'm at the gym, right? I'm not at my desk. It's glitchy here. You'll see, like in the 30s, 4 accounts go long for some reason. What's my DOL? What's DOL mean? Where is it? Oh, here. On this spike down, there's no order sitting here, and these accounts shouldn't trade without the lead account, right? Generally, they're blocked from trading unless you're on the lead account, and the lead account's not in a trade. So 4 of my accounts are long here for some freaking reason. Again, it doesn't make any sense because that's not how trade copiers work. And then anyways, they got blown on it because they took a random long. So anyways, Lucid should do a deleted day and put me back to where I started yesterday. So I'm just waiting on them to do that. The other account I passed. Trink, you said we would pump on the open. We didn't pump. And I don't take trades from random people in chat. I don't take trades from anybody in chat. Again, dude, check your ego, man. Congrats on getting short. I mean, what do you want me to say? Oh, Trink told me to short. I gotta go short. I don't know who the fuck you are, bro. I trade what I see. Yeah, these are Flex Trade Academy. We will pop up at open immediately. Great for a long scalp. Okay, where do we open up, chat? This is Trink's analysis. Let's analyze it. That's the 829 candle, right? Or 830 candle, right here. Wow, 10 points. Great for a long. We did not get the push up. We got a drop. Botan, I think one of the reasons why one of the things that helped with the situation is having the screen recording, which it still doesn't necessarily prove much, but you know, they did like investigate it more. And I think part of the problem is switching between MotiveWave and TradeC, even though for the most part they work perfectly. Like, you know, trade on one's trade on the other, but something must have gotten weird between them somehow. Yeah, September, Mark. I went back and looked. I was looking for levels. Back in September, we were down this low. Oh, you know what this means, chat? My amazing short on TradingView. It's going to be so in the money, it's crazy. Short over 1,100 contracts. Up 5 million after being down, what was it, like 30 million? I averaged down like a hero. Up 5 million, chat. Finally. I'd say perfect entry. Yeah. Yeah, right. Oh man, that's funny. All right. So pop into 600 here. Little rejection. Back at it. I mean, short seems like a good idea, but is it? I may just try. I might get run over here, but I think it's just a little tempting to try for it. Yeah, this looks like a quick little run over here, actually. But just in case there's more downside, I don't mind shorting 599, you know? What's up, Justine? Good morning. Right at my entry here. Look at the 30-minute. Maybe I should be above that. Whoops. I might be good. I might be good. Come on. Seems like I'm vibe trading. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Just like I code. Claude. Should I enter short here? I'm going with the trend on a retest of 600 cycle level. I mean, stop out, whatever. That's fine. I think that's right at the EMA. I think it's a good trade if you're looking for a continuation down. I don't mind it at all. I'm glad I raised my stop here. Let's see if we get any sellers stepping in, though. Yeah, they just come get me here. Oh, yeah. Got me good. Oh, don't top tick me. Oh, don't top tick me. We know how I feel about that. Got to be above 20 and a half. Come on. Jeez. It's fucking brutal, dude. Man. Let's run up here. Let's not top technique. Let's push highs. VIX is jacked pretty high here. I don't really want to get slapped again. And I like the entry at 599. It's just literally another like 2 points on the stop, and it would have been good. I don't really want to enter 15 points lower now. Did you see my fund features increasing prices today? No, I didn't. Why don't y'all want a long? Wait, we mean why do you want a long? Yeah. I'm not that interested in a long at the moment, but maybe we're holding up here. I don't know. Go get VWAP, you know? Oh, man. We're going to pull for long or short. See if I can get it done fast enough here. All right, pulls in. Answer before it's too late. Well, can we take out highs? We have 61%, 59% say long from 23,600. There's 300 lots hitting the ask there. Miguel, you like the shorts up here possibly? Yeah, let's see what happens. See if we go for those highs there. Any news? University of Michigan sentiment's out in 13 minutes. That's about all I got. Now short? Seems like to me it's too early. I don't know. We have a point of control from including overnight session, right? But it just seems a little bit early. I don't know if we're gonna take out these highs. Yeah, news on the hour. Yeah, I don't. University of Michigan Summit shouldn't be too crazy, but might provide a little bit of volatility for a handful of seconds. How are the dogs doing? Oh, they're good. Not hanging out with me this morning, but yeah, they're doing fine. How many trades would you say is normal for a person doing one trade per day? I would say one. What's your question? Next week is a short week, right? Yeah. Because Easter, Good Friday or something? No, that's... No. Well, yeah, Friday. It's not on my calendar for some reason, but I think the 3rd. The market's probably got a half day on the 3rd, I think. Right? I don't know. What's up, Maul? How's the day treating me? Just fine, thanks. So, turned around at 48? Nice drop of 60 points. Like per month? Well, it just depends. Tyler, like I just told whatever the fuck his name was, I don't just take trades from chat because chat says short. I don't short. It's gotta make sense to me. Just like if I told you to long without giving you a reason, you're not gonna take a long from me. Why would you? I'm not just taking up. Everyone's like, why are you short? I'm like, I don't know. Tyler said to go short. What am I gonna do if Tyler's not in chat tomorrow? I won't know how to trade. Like, what do you know? Can't just shortcut someone in chat says to. Doesn't make any sense. That's not how any trader trades. Yeah, if I don't see a reason to get short, I'm not going to get short. So NAS back to its lows. ES, a little higher low for the time being. But let's see if it can get the drop back to its lows. VIX back up to taking new highs on VIX there. If you told me to long, I'd long. Well, you shouldn't. All right. Let's lock in here. 15-minute looking pretty bearish. Pretty bearish, chat. Let's look at ES as well. Maybe we'll form a little bit of 30-minute supply up here. New lows there, Nas? Yes, not yet. If you told me to trade upside down in my chair, Dan, I'd trade upside down in my chair. Sounds like you have some self-esteem problems. If I ever traded oil futures, maybe once or twice. Wow. Nice job, Turbo. Carving out the market there. 5.5K. Well done. What kind of count is that? 5 take profit trader accounts. Very nice. Are those eligible for daily payouts now? Or are they still, you still have to get above buffer? All right, downside wise, we got 23.5 coming in. 4, there's really not a whole lot down here that I have as far as levels are concerned. ES, we got a little 1 hour demand, but I don't know. Nothing crazy. Nothing great from a level standpoint. Yeah, but you want to get a big buffer around 10K or so. All right. Here's 500. 23.5. This is like, you know, if we just could delete. We could just delete these candles here. Well, actually, we got to include the one that stopped me out. Delete that one. Just delete those. Move down to 500. That's kind of what I was after there by shorting 599. Obviously, I had to, you know, make a play for the highs first. Stop me out, but it's a good move down now. All right, maybe we'll get a little bounce here. 1 hour demand. Could be bombs away, stack candles, Beats favorite. Yeah. I mean, I hope we get a little bit of a bounce here. 30 plus points. But I don't know. It just, man, if it just sinks, it kind of sucks sitting on the sidelines watching it, you know? Yeah, I would short 532, Syed. There's a bounce to 500. 30 points like I asked. News coming out. News in 5 seconds. How can consumer confidence be positive? I feel like it's got to drop. There we go. Nice knife there. So that was a perfect bounce in time for news. If you wanted to short 500 going into news, that could have worked out nicely. Obviously, a bit of a coin flip gamble trading news, I think, but so we got about 47 points of wicks, 50 points of wicks there in the last minute. Look at ES, man. Just compare that to that dagger of a wick. NASDAQ and ES didn't budge. Why do I feel like a hero long, man? Someone talked me out of it. That's crazy. Retest of this previous low there on ES. Could be a good short opportunity. And it's gone. Unfortunately, the latency in chat is, I forgot to set it to low, so it's on normal, which is puts us at like a 20-second delay, I think, from each other, instead of the usual like 8-second delay. Money, I haven't had those Apex PAs all week long. So, 1 hour demand, did some good work there on ES, slowing it down. The reason why I don't short 518 or so is I want us to be able to retest like 532, so like these lows here on NAS. If I short 518, I feel like I have to give it like a little too much room in the stop. So I just want to hold off and see if we do test that higher. Considering starting with micros here. I'm gonna place a limit here. See if we get a little pop. Yeah, don't you think some like positive news is, quote unquote positive news, is going to come out over the weekend? Or if the market's going to open up higher on Sunday night? Yeah, I've been very choppy here on the 1 minute. My heart rate shot up when I placed a limit order? Oh, I don't think that's related to the limit order. I don't feel nervous about that. It does feel like I don't need this limit order here anymore. Are you always a zen when trading, or is it something you had to work at? I think my natural disposition is a little bit more calm. Not that I don't ever get, worked up about it or anything. I just think I'm, naturally pretty chill. Yeah, this is no fun right now. We're trying to have fun here. It's Friday morning, man. We don't want this garbage. We demand fun price action so we don't have to play geography games. Played geography games 2 days ago. It was fun. So I don't mind bringing them back. VWAP tap, that's what I'm thinking, Wolf. I entered a long on my personal account. 1 micro looking for VWAP just now. So that's what I was thinking. Now I never collabed with Ricky Wolf DR. But yeah, definitely been a lot of growth over the years for sure. That's the idea. Just how people, all those fruiters they do come out of the woodwork mostly after they're just successful, quote unquote successful. It's like, where did you even come from? Like, I never even heard of you. Now you have a Lambo and a Discord server. So look. When I'm posting massive gains in the future, you'll at least know where I came from. You're like, oh yeah, I watched this dude when he sucked ass. How'd I do in the geography games? We did well. And Time Guesser, we did 46,000 something out of 50,000. That's 46,000 is like on the higher end of where we average. GeoGuessr, I think we got all the countries right. Maybe we missed one country, but yeah, it was pretty good. I don't know. That was actually a good short opportunity. That's that retest of that low that I was looking at earlier. It's just been so choppy that it doesn't seem as great. Thank you, Wolf. I appreciate it. There's 2 Wolves here, but Wolf DR, thank you. Oh, I still got it, chicken. I still got it. I'm having crazy thoughts about longing for some reason, but I think 5 minutes will keep me out of a long on here. I'm long on my personal account. Again, it's 1 micro, so. But VIX is moving off of its highs a little bit here. We might get a little bit of a rotation back up. Getting bored? Yeah, maybe just do something to take your attention off the markets, because it is boring right now. Oh my gosh, I've been muted this whole time. That's embarrassing. That's how bad the delay is on the stream here. Yeah, I know. Gotta wait for you guys to catch up. It's like GeoGuessr, but instead of seeing a street view, we just have to guess based off like a heat map of how close we are. Yeah, so I started with Poland. We're about 2,200 miles away from Poland, 3,500 kilometers. I might go in Africa here. Let's guess Parshav's homeland here, Kenya. 1,600 miles from Kenya. Also known as, I don't know what it is in kilometers, 2,600 kilometers. Now the delay is just because I didn't change the setting in YouTube. I have to change it every morning before I start streaming. Let's just try along here. But go on Twitch if you want. Twitch shouldn't be delayed. Twitch is super fast. Not Kenya. Not Senegal. Maybe India? Getting closer with India here. 1,100 miles from India. Probably north. Mongolia? No. Back over here. Tajikistan. No. Let's try like Yemen. Ah, pretty close. Right by Yemen here. Might get stopped out here. Come on, man. Stop is not well placed. Well, my entry wasn't well placed is the problem. And I don't want to risk anymore. I mean, I'm about to blow the account, so. Got a 1.5-minute ad? Dang. Does Twitch do ads like that? Or is that just YouTube? Back to 500. It's a 14 EMA. Just try along here, 500. It's not Legsit, it's Maze. Who are you, man? Still gotta figure out what country this is. Let's try Jordan. No. Man, about to be stopped here. All right. I don't think it's UAE because of Yemen would show. UAE should be touching Yemen, or not UAE. Sorry, UAE's over here. Could be UAE maybe, but then sorry, wrong. Here I am. UAE's right there, right? Could be. Oh, jeez. Retain right there? No, it's over there. What's that one really small one right here? That's not UAE. Qatar? Whoops. Fucking bottom tick stop out, man. Why you gotta do me like that? Bahrain, thank you. I was like, I know there's a Formula 1 race there. I couldn't think of what it was. Yeah, nice one. Nice one, chicken. It was Bahrain. I was like, man, what? It's not Qatar. It was Bahrain. We gotta do it again with Capitals, though. Capitals is harder. Ooh, 860 miles from Warsaw. That's 1,300 kilometers, chat. So we're probably in Europe here. Let's just try like Madrid. Close to Madrid, about 1,000 kilometers, 610 miles from Madrid. We could be in Africa. About like Dublin? Nah. Maybe like Rome? Very close to Rome, chat. So grab like Croatia, right? Is it Croatia? I think it's over here. So I think we're in like Bern or something. Really close to Bern. Is Vienna the capital? No. Berlin? Should we try Berlin? Might be too far north. Paris? Still closest to Bern. Isn't it the capital of Liechtenstein? No, it's Vaduz. Vaduz. Man. I think I'm going to stop out of my short on the personal account. What am I missing over here, chat? Right by friggin' Switzerland. It's got to be a country capital. Yeah, there's too many freaking ads. But we're 220 miles from Bern, or 360 kilometers. And I don't know, what am I missing there? What about Luxembourg? Isn't the capital of Luxembourg just Luxembourg? Yeah. It's not Luxembourg. What else is right there? I feel like I'm missing something. gonna have to like pull up Google Maps here to see what other countries over there. It's Germany, Liechtenstein, Austria, Switzerland, got Italy, got France, Luxembourg. It's none of those. Prague's too far away. Ljubljana. Okay, let's try that. If I can spell it. That's too far east. All right. I don't know if there's any other small countries there I can't think of. Maybe Monaco, but we'll try Monaco because I don't know what else it'd be. Monaco. Always kind of forget about Monaco. They're just doing F1 stuff. All right. That was global. Fun one. Yeah, I tried. Bern was the one we were closest to for a long time there. All right, at the lows here on NAS. Is it good for a bounce? We're going to get a drop. 15-minute ended up closing out red. I hope it's not just a range that forms at the low end here, because by the time I realize it's a range, it'll break. Like a long here doesn't seem so bad, other than the fact that buyer's got no juice. Look at that 30-minute wick. Kind of gross. I think I'd rather just short. What's up, Trade RR Joe? What's up? How you doing? All right, see what happens at 500. Yo, I'm here for the signals from that Shrink hedge fund manager guy. Is he here today? Well, unfortunately he was, but he couldn't get his shit together and he had to get muted forever. How's trading been for you this year so far? It's been good, actually. Been my best year yet so far. So I'm still waiting on Lucid to delete the day yesterday on the 4 accounts, and hopefully I can get those passed. I don't think I can keep this account alive anymore. Yeah, it's $50 a drawdown. No, it's done. Didn't have to be like that, but yesterday I got a little pissed. Could have had a completely different. Everything could have turned out a lot different yesterday. It's just kind of frustrating, but that's all right. How many funded accounts do you have under you? Like in this moment, this is my only one that's about to be gone. I'm waiting on 4. 4 more should be at halfway. I've been debating reloading the Top Step ones. I haven't yet. I've been thinking about it. Yeah, same Grizz. Anytime I've tried to go back to ES, I'm like, why am I doing ES stuff? Yesterday, you were on final day for payout, nearly blew all 5 accounts, spent the whole sesh getting back to break even. Some days it does just like that. Time to sit on hands, wait for a breakout. Yeah. It's another 500 rejection there. I would expect us to pop here. Maybe not very far, but just a little bit. We might break lower here. I was just going to see if I could grab a little quick long, but I think it's going to liquidate me here. There it goes. All right. Have you ever considered Indian swing trading? What does that mean? Okay. Now, the silver lining is, I'm up 8.1 million in this. Do you know when I first put this trade on? I'd average it down so hard just to get the average up this high. First trade was so bad. May That's from, wait, is that, am I reading this right? Is it May 2nd or February 5th? Yeah, May 2nd, right? Oh man, that's funny. So Bar Shop, how you doing? What's up, Tam? How you doing? Yeah, sorry to hear that. I've been having, so this week was kind of like, it was frustrating because there's some tech issues on trading related things that caused me to lose accounts, and so it was kind of a frustrating week. I'm ready for it to be over. Yeah, 1150 contracts, yeah. Yeah, it's finally green, yeah. 7.6 million. Just had to average down a shit ton. Bro, no one's gonna gift you an account, man. Stop asking. Look at ES. ES is just holding the lows still. Yeah, you probably can't par shove. I don't know. Yeah, it's not like a clean. We had a clean move off the open, and then since then it's been a lot of mixed overlapping candles here, so it's not been super clean. Better for the position trade, you know, finding a good entry, wider stop, bigger target. Favorite toppings on pizza? Now we're talking. Now we're talking about something interesting. Spicy pepperoni and banana peppers. Slap. Highly recommend it. Guys, this price action calls for, you know what it calls for. Dan, in your theater, would they allow you to take a pizza to watch Project Hail Mary? No. Some of them serve pizza, you know. Some of them you can order pizza to your seat or whatever. But they wouldn't, I don't think they let you bring a pizza in. Obviously, the Gen Z ticket takers don't really give a shit. You used to have to like sneak stuff in. Now I just, you know, walk in with just a water bottle and no one cares. Plus, they sell Dasani water. I'm not drinking Dasani water. I have standards. Pep onion, jalapeno. That sounds good. I don't love jalapenos, but I would eat it. Pineapple on pizza. I don't. Honestly, I don't care. People get have such strong opinions. I don't care. Like, am I going out of my way to put on a pizza? Not often. Would I do it? Sure. It doesn't taste fine. It tastes whatever. Everyone gets all high and mighty about it. Like, come on. Doesn't matter. Some of the best, like, I used to work at a pizza shop. Some of the best pizzas I had were just these weird combinations that they came up with. Like, we had a Cuban pizza, and it was freaking sick. It was so good. It was like pulled pork, pickles. You top it with a little mustard, and you're like, that doesn't belong on a pizza? Well, it was freaking amazing, so I don't really care, you know? I like what tastes good. I don't really care what's supposed to be on it. Does it taste good? Yeah. Did you ever eat Toppers when you lived in Oxnard? No, because you know what? I found out one of my favorite chain pizza places is Donato's, which is more of like a Southeast, a little bit in the Midwest chain. I love Donato's pizza. It's really good. And I found out they were selling Donato's at the Red Robin in Oxnard. And that was like the only place, I think, in California, or at least Southern California, that had Donato's pizza. So I did get Donato's in Oxnard. But I might have had Toppers before, like once or twice, but ketchup on pizza is criminal. Yeah, who's doing that? That's crazy. Gabagool? Oh yeah, Gabagool's good.
Gabagool. Over here.
Deep dish, Detroit, or New York style. Honestly, I think they're all good. Detroit looks really good. I don't know if I've had a real Detroit pizza. Looks amazing. Deep dish, I actually love deep dish. Eat it like once or twice a year. It's good. But generally, Chicagoans are eating tavern style pizza, which is, you know, thin crust, cracker crust. Yeah, I lived in Oxnard for about a year, Justine. And Grizz lives in Ventura, I think. Not to dox you, Grizz, but... Sardines on pizza? No, I don't really fuck with sardines, I don't think. But yeah, Detroit, man, I love a good, like, caramelized crust. And that's what my favorite deep dish in Chicago does, a really good caramelized crust. Margaritas isn't the pizza? Yeah, I love margarita pizza. And I love margarita the drink. So, all right. We're not doing much. ES is holding. That 1 hour demand was money, actually. It's held that very nicely. Rusty's Pizza is better than Toppers. You agree with that, Grizz? I'd never heard of Rusty's. I lived there like during COVID. Like we weren't going out to restaurants and stuff, so I just got stuff delivered. No, that's not true, Grizz. What's the best Italian style pizza you have in Chicago? Italian style, like Neapolitan or whatever. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what it would be, but there's some. I mean, there's so many good spots. It just depends. I mean, everyone's got an opinion about it. And I just don't know. I don't go to Chicago enough to go eat food. I would like to. Where do I get my demand and supply levels from? You start on like the daily chart. Look for a large drop or a rally candle, and then look for a basing candle, the opposite color next to it. So there's one up there. Let me find you another example. And then I go down the different time frames on down, lower time frames as we go. Here's like a 1 hour one. It's not great because you want the drop candle to be better, to be a more significant drop candle for the zone to be significant. But a drop candle next to it, I'm looking for a basing candle, the opposite color, and then I draw it for supply. It's the bottom of the body on the basing candle. So here would have been one back then, and then we tap into it and end up pushing through it. Whoops. 30-minute. There's a 30-minute one. Nice drop. Basing candle opposite color. 30-minute zone right there. So I just draw manually like that. What's up, Gabagool? There's Gabagool. Gabagool.
Gabagool. Over here.
Well, I mean, I say I live in the Chicagoland, which includes the suburbs, Grizz. So you can shut the fuck up. I never tell anyone I live in Chicago unless you're out of the country. Then you just say, yeah, I'm from like Chicago area, because no one's gonna know about the surrounding suburbs. You really think you can get to Ventura? You can get from Ventura to San Diego in 2 hours? Get out of here, dude. You're tripping. Yeah, price action sucks. VIX moving lower. VIX is to VWAP here. Probably take I'll probably do my practice account. How do I do that practice account? Someone told me how to do it the other day. Simulated account. Simulated accounts locked and loaded. Maybe not my super. Yeah, okay, like you're going 160 miles an hour. Get out of here. Is there a way to know if you're watching me trade funded or eval? Well, you can ask. I always tell people. Lucid. I think they look pretty similar naming wise. This was a funded account. On the sim page, do I have to check something else? I could say disables trading for all their accounts. I think I'm good. I think I could just throw a trade on if I wanted to. It'd be fine. It says sim right here, which is nice. Oh, that's helpful. It's my favorite pasta sauce. Oh. I actually like a little arrabbiata, spicy. I don't go the speed limit in the fast lane, asshole. You're always making up lies about me. Sometimes I am going like 15 over the speed limit in the fast lane and people like pass me on the right. I'm like, sorry, I wasn't going fast enough. Shit. Yeah, okay, sim account's working. I don't really like the trade, but make a short with a sim account where you make 25K in a day, then sell a course. Yeah, but the sim account, you know, the balance, I'm starting at 100K. So obviously, still making 25% of the account, but everyone's going to be like, well, how do I get the 25K to start? Or maybe they don't. Maybe they're just like, oh, sweet, let me buy your course. So easy to scam, man. Yeah, hard to trade. Lower levels are from 3 months ago, from like September. Yeah, even longer ago. I think you just average down until it's just like the trading view trade. You just keep averaging down until you're in the money. Dan goes and pumps gas at Costco. He enters through the exit and cuts the line. Just saying. Bro, I'm not trying to get shot by angry suburbanites. Oof. Ugh. It's a scary bunch, man. Dan, inverse indicator would sell? Nah, dude. I've been crushing ass. Yesterday I went from minus 1100 to plus 1500. Does that not count for anything? You gotta add here too, right, chat? You gotta just keep adding. Just keep adding. Just keep adding. I think I would like to sling like 15 minis at some point the next 5 years. Just want to feel alive, man. Is that too degen? Depends on the account size, right? What account size do you think you'd have to trade 15 minis? Like $1 million? Over $1 million? $100K? No, Parsha, that's fucking nuts, dude. Like a 20-point stop out, I lose friggin' 10 grand. Carmine does it with ES though. ES is different. The, 10, 15 contracts on ES is a lot different than on NASDAQ. I'm talking about day in and day out, but I'm talking about NQ. $10 mil. Maybe you want to be most responsible about it. But if you have 10 million in your account, would you still get excited about making like 15 grand on the day? Probably not. Oh, don't make me average down again. Come on. It's 300 USD a point, well over 3 million, you'd say. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I saw what you said, Parshav. I think he had over 100K. I think he had like 150, 200K. Don't you wish you could just trade 15 minis with no regard for losses. It's really easy to make money if you just did not care. Carmine says down so much just because the conditions, I think, got more challenging. Grizz? I think I'd rather listen to what's that guy's name talk about where the market's going next and how I'm stupid. Come on, man. Mark's just being annoying here. Yeah, you can request a payout on the weekend. Tonight you can do it. Yeah, Top Up, you can do it tonight. And then you should get paid by Monday. Maybe Tuesday, but... Alright, I think we have to up the size now to 20 minis, chat. Alright, type of 1 for a long, type of 2 for a short. 20 minis, let's go. 1 for long, 2 for short. Parshoff is on Twitch, so he's ahead of everybody. He says short. Everyone else? We'll wait like 15 seconds for everybody else. Two, one, two, two. So shorts are taking a second here. I mean, shorts are winning by two. I think the shorts are winning. All right, short 20 minis. Let's go. Oh, why not? There we go. Got the fill. Now all the ones are coming in. Too slow. We'll go 40 on the next one. If this one's a loser, well, obviously we have to double it. We'll do Martingale. We'll double it to make up our losses. It's the only reasonable thing to do. Yeah, the indices haven't been close to VWAP, really. Wow, imagine if you longed a VWAP. That's 60 grand on 20 minis. That'd be fun. Is this a revenge trading account? No, it's just a fun trading account. Dan, on a scale of 10, how good is your spice tolerance? 1 being ice cream, 10 being bird's eye chili raw. Bird's eye chili? I don't even know if I know what that is. Like a Carolina Reaper? I would say I like a little heat, but not overwhelming. Like my favorite is sweet heat. I like sweet heat, so you know, I'm usually around like the medium level for hot sauce and whatever, you know? So on your scale, I don't know, maybe a 4? I don't know. Oh, guys, this might. Oh, stop out, chat. Now we gotta go to 40. Oh boy, gotta go to 40. Does the EOD trailing drawdown and Lucid Flex funded account ever become static? Yeah, I think after your first payout it goes to 0, right? I might have to double check. I don't remember. But usually all those EOD trailings stop at 0 or when you make like drawdown plus $100 or something. Dan thinks ketchup is spicy. Just saying. Oh my gosh, Chris, you are unhinged today, sir. All right, short here, right, chat? Don't worry, I might have to add another 40 if it moves in my direction. Don't worry. Yeah, this price action's been crazy, Waz. I mean, it's just so all over the place, and one little tweak can send it flying. Oh no, Chad, I might be cooked on this one. Don't worry, I can reverse this trade in 2 seconds. Shit. Oh man, it ripped. Don't worry, I reversed it, Chad. Don't worry, we're long now. How did your week go? It was kind of problematic with tech issues that, you know, kind of fucked up some stuff. Oh no, I was right. That was just a rejection. Don't worry, guys, I can reverse that. And I can average, add to, no, it's bouncing. Oh, I can reverse it. Don't worry, chat. Hang on. How many contracts will let me short anyways? I'm short 80 right now. I short another 40? Oh yeah, I can. Short 120 contracts. Let's go. Try 160. Well, don't get crazy. Yeah, P&L's getting cut off. Feel like any more we could just rip higher. Don't worry, I can reverse the chat. I can reverse the trade. Don't worry, we've got this. Sony announced PlayStation 5 is becoming more expensive? No, I didn't see that. All I think I might have to add to this one, obviously. I mean, what else would you do here? Short 160. Let's go. I don't think I need brackets either. Brackets are for pussies. What's up, Rocky? Yeah, Lexa says just go back to sleep, bro. Yeah. It's been really dull. Nice drop and then nothing. All right, this is obviously an ad here. Short 200. Let's go. 200 minis. Child's play, I call it. I call 200 minis child's play. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's child's play. What if I flatten it and make like $100 on the day? Bro risks like 200 grand to make $100. I mean, we're getting to a situation where I might have to add here. I mean, what else would you do? It's just obvious. Obviously, you have to add. Imagine the fees, yeah. They're not even simulating commissions or anything. But that would be a whole lot. Especially with all the reversing and stuff. What's up, RX? How you doing? Think I should add? I don't know, man. Short 200. Do I really want to be short 240? Add 200 more? Sounds aggressive, bro. We're right at 500. Top left chart's a 5-minute. My VIX data is from Thinkorswim. I don't pay for it on TradingView. Nice, Grizz. Finished all your work in like 20 minutes today? Oh. Have fun at Neverland Ranch or whatever, wherever you're going. All right, 500. I think I obviously have to take profit here. Up 22K chat. If you want to learn how to do this, go to UncleDanceTrendlineCourse.com. Mike says, you've had a lot of issues with Trade C on Lucid rejecting orders, like market exits and entries. Have you seen anything like that? I don't think so. But I did have issues yesterday trading between Trade C, Mobile, and Motive Wave that resulted in 4 accounts getting blown. But I think Lucid's going to reset, you know, take yesterday off. I'm just waiting for that. But yeah, Trade C still has some little issues. What happened yesterday? Well, I showed playback of it. You know, I was long, I left, whatever, stopped out. It's in a short from my phone here. Unfortunately, it was a break-even hit, which was brutal because we dropped really nicely after that. So then after this break-even hit, right around here, on this wick lower, it went long 4 accounts, not the lead account, 4 accounts. 4 follower accounts somehow took a phantom limit long here, which doesn't make any sense because I didn't have a limit order. The follower accounts, you know, you can't really trade on a follower account when you have trade copying enabled. So all 4 of them just took this phantom long, which is crazy. No way I would ever have wanted to long that. And then they hit max daily loss. Or, you know, the max loss. Not even daily, just max loss. So it's just a weird phantom thing. I don't know how it happened. Like, I came back to my desk expecting to be down, you know, 250 on the day or something. And it showed 4 accounts blown. Botan says, bought your course, now I'm financially free. Thanks, Dan. Parentheses, I lost everything I needed to pay after. Usually scale in to some micros and scale out. I couldn't do anything but close the trade. Yeah, I don't know. Trade C is still just a little buggy, I would say. Yeah, they don't normally assist with, you know, trade copy issues, but it did help having the screen recording, I think. And so they are going to delete yesterday from my trade history. They haven't done, I mean, they're working on it, so I don't have the accounts yet. But hopefully by Monday, I'll have the 4 accounts back to $1,500 profit on the evals, and then I can go from there. Should have kept that short, chat. Should have kept it. Don't worry, I can load up like a 500 lot short here. Or long, maybe. I can just long the lows. Depends on how we're feeling. What are you talking about, Parshav? Oh, I pretty much sold it all. I liquidated it mostly a couple months ago. I mean, it was up so much, so pretty much liquidated it. Went cash, and yeah, so it's hard to say. If I do time range, year to date, it's just down 9.6%, I think. What is a simulated account? It's just one I just started here in MotiveWave to have some fun. Guys, is this my long? Is this my long chat? What about long here? Longs do not look good. But for me, they might work. All right, chat. 500 lot short. Or 500 lot trade. Should I go short? How about short for a few points here? Let's just make a little buckaroos here. Maybe 200 grand or something like that. Not a big deal. Dang, just 20 points makes you 200 grand. 500 lots is so crazy. All right, have a good weekend, Justine. Did you go live with any firms yet? No. I was going to go live with Purdy, and I just took the payout instead. Yeah, Purdy paid me a long time ago. I think at the end of February. How dare you move against me? I'm supposed to go straight to my target. Boo. Is that a sim account? Yeah, I mean, it does say simulated pretty good right there. I think the only option now is to go with 1,000 lots here. I mean, what else are you supposed to do? 1,000 lot long. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Why long? Why not? I have no idea. Dude, I don't know why more hedge funds don't hire me. It's like I'm just making them so much money. Like, they gave me a 100K account, I'm going to double in like 2 seconds. Yeah, Grizz, I'll get right on that. Come on. I want 200K. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. 300K. Yeah, let's go. Boom. 314K. Chat, if you want to know how to do this, go to UncleDanceTrendlineCourse.com. Guys, a lot of you brokies don't understand how easy trading can be. Martingale, baby. There's a nice rip through 500. Oh, I should have held that. Damn, I'm going to tilt now. I sold at 49. Oh, man. Think about how many millions I could be up right now. What did Trump say? Did he just shit in his diaper again, chat? When I was in long, everyone knows that's a buy signal. What the hell? So that was a nice move to what? The 50% retracement? That was clean. That was clean. 10:20. What time is it? 10:24. I don't really know what that was about. I haven't seen a Financial Juice update with anything yet. That's a nice pump there. All right, 1,000 lots here. Let's just see if we can get one last little move. This is going to be part of my application to Citadel or whatever. I don't think I saw the real Arch. Financial Juice has not updated at all. At least the free version I'm on. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Honestly, there's when you trade 1,000 lots, chat, there's plenty of movement. Feels every tick is like, it's maybe too much movement. Okay, here we go. White House officials are cautiously hopeful that the latest negotiations with Iran are making progress. That's nothing. That's just someone was long in NQ in the room trying to make a quick buck. That seems like a nothing burger. Probably give that all back. Does FinJuice Elite version deliver faster? Yeah, it's faster. I'm on like the delayed feed because it's free. All right, short 1,000 lots. Let's go. Come on. Dan, I think all next week will be a bullish week. The war will end. LOL. Watch, I'm right. I would go play the lotto. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, man. Like, I don't think, like, swinging long over the weekend's a terrible idea at all. Dan, can you sing for us? I'll tip you. All right, now. Oh no, Chad, I'm in the red. Didn't think the market was dumb enough to keep pumping after that. Fake headline. Should I average down, chat? Is it going to auto-liquidate me? Let me average down here. Let's go 2,000 minis short. That should be fun. 2,000 minis. There we go. Got out of harm's way there. For now. Scan your overtrading, man. You're gonna give back all your profit. Add more. Well, I'm getting a little nervous to add now. Maybe I should reverse the position. There's no commissions, man. There's no commissions. It's a good deal. All right, fine. Another 1,000. Let's go. I'll just keep adding 1,000 lots until I'm in profit at this location. All right. Don't liquidate me, motive wave. Let me go in the negative. Oh yeah, it's letting me go in the negative. Oh yeah, we're good. Don't worry, add another 1,000 there. We're good, chat. We're good. The amount of money I'm gonna make on this trade is insane. You guys get all watch it all here for free. That's crazy. I don't need all these. I don't need bracket orders, chat. If we get a pump up, whatever. I can withstand the heat. Short 4,000 lots. Let's go. Why don't we make an even 5,000? 5,000 lots. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want brackets. No risk, no Rari, man. We're just ripping, chat. We're just ripping. Okay, how about I short another... How about I short like 15,000 right here? And then I might be able to get in the money easier. Let me wait for it to rip to 600 and then I'll short. Short 15,000. All right, sweet. Short 20,000 lots now. All it needs is just a slightest pullback and I'm back in the green, baby. That's what a lot of people don't tell you about averaging down. When you have infinite liquidity, man. All right. Oh, I'm up so big, guys. It's crazy. Just hit 1 million, 2 million. I wasn't happy with the 1 million profit there, chat. I think I let greed get the best of me. That's embarrassing. And I regret it. So the only choice is, I think I gotta add 15,000 more lots here. It's literally the only thing that makes sense if you think about it. We are right by VWAP. Oh, I'm gonna be so rich. How about another 15K lots here on the pump to VWAP on ES? That's a good idea. Dude, I'm such a genius. Oh my gosh. Short 35,000 lots now. I should have been doing this for a long time ago. I think this is how you help desensitize yourself from, like, if you want to make $2,000 a day on a funded account, you just do this, and then you're like, $2,000 a day, that's nothing. that's how you desensitize yourself, I think. I mean, don't take my word for it. Dan, careful, you're getting close to over leveraging. Well played, I like it. That was a good one. Very good. All right, here's VWAP. I think I got a short again, chat. Another 15K. 50,000 contracts short. It's one of my best trades yet. One of my best trades, I think, probably, if I think about it. But don't worry, I'll also short maybe another 50,000 at supply in case we pop up there. But yeah, I'm going to make so much money. It's crazy. Actually, I think just right here is good. Another 50K. Is it letting me short the 50K? I don't even know if their position thing goes up that high. Maybe I didn't do it right. 50, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that. Oh yeah, short 100K now. About to be so rich, it's crazy. Boom. Boom. Great. I'll take half off. Do you think NAS is going to go for VWAP? It's got a ways away. I could lose 44 million if I hold. Nice job, Rodri. Very well done. Sick. Good trading. All right, I'm out there. 11 million, almost 12 million on the day. Not a big deal. Not a big deal, chat. I mean, it's just so easy. Trading is so easy. It's crazy. If you guys struggle with it, you got to buy my course. UncleDan'sTrendlineCourse.com. I think that's, a pretty good note to end Friday on. About 12 million. We'll round up to 12 million. Give me some weekend play money, Gonna go fuck around Miami. But thanks for tuning in today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll get back after it Monday. I'll see you guys then. Peace out.